Hello, my friends, and welcome to the entrance of Monster Street. You are here to go. Right, we'll talk up there. Quick, quick. This way now. Stop right there. Forward. Stop. You're in charge. Don't let anybody cross this point, okay? Now, my friends, come on down, come on down. Now I know what you're thinking. We've done this before. We're going round in circles. It's only a kid's story. But no, you're wrong. This time, I've been in. I've seen it with my own eyes. And this time, you get to see it with your own eyes too. But there is just one thing that I forgot to mention. Now, the monsters, they don't take too kindly to the human folk. So when you go into the streets of the monsters, you need to be the biggest, scariest monsters that you possibly. Now, I've got one last thing for you. Now let me just a little gift from me to you. These are your trick or treat bags. Make sure you look after them, okay? And remember, have fun. So we'll see you on the other side. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. Have fun. Good luck.
Hello! Wow!
Welcome to Monster Street.
I love your mask! Are you like a cyborg? You are. Can I get a fist bump?
Hello, welcome to Monster Street.
Wow, have the best day. Oh my goodness, these
very
costumes.
scary
I'm liking all the
monsters.
costumes here. What are you supposed to be? You witch? No, what are you? You don't know. Well, as long as you're not a human, then you're all right, all right? Gotta get those goodie bags filled up, so head on in. Now you, Jack Skellington. I like it. Now what about monster you? What's your monster for you?
What's rocking, little dude? Tell me, what monster are you, dude? You're a cyborg, bro! Ha-ha! Rockin'! Can you show me your cyborg moves? Go! Yeah! Into the street you go, little dude. What about you?
You had a good day? Fabulous. Well, if you go down to her, oh, you're welcome to Boo-tanicals. If you go down to her, she might give you some chocolate, but can I let you into a little secret? She smells really bad. Tell us she smells. Yes.
Let me give you some chocolate for your journey around Monster Street. Hello there. What a funny looking device that is. It must be a robot monster, is it true? Would you like some chocolate, sir, in your bag? Here you go, you're so welcome. Hello there, welcome. Oh my goodness, I love your makeup. It's so cool. Let me give you some chocolate for your bag here. Here you go, my friend.
Have a great rest of the day, guys. Bye now. You a zombie?
Tell you what, if I give you one of these, because you're so scary, do you want to move on?
Now, between the three of you, who would you say is the most stinky?
Would you like one as
You
well?
signed up for it now.
Here
Well,
we
I'll give
go.
you one for you. Now, like I say to all adults, you're never too old for some Lego bricks. So here's one for you and one for you as well. Have a great rest of the day then, guys. Bye now. Oh, don't scare me like that. Or what kind of monster are you? You're a cyborg monster. Now, because you are such a good cyborg, can you do a robot dance for me really quick? Oh, perfect. That is amazing. Now, here you go for a special one. Now, between me and you, who would you say is more stinky, you or him? How could he say that? Well, like I say to all adults, you're never too old for some Lego bricks, so here you go as well. Have an amazing rest of the day, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.
Oh my goodness, it's a lake.
Oh my goodness, it's like a technical skeleton. I've never seen that. This is a once in a lifetime thing.
Game over, play again. Beep, yes, let's go.
Game, we start with iPad. We're out done, ready. Should we pose for the camera? Go. Awesome. Smell you later. Oh, you guys look like humans.
Security escorting me out. When I live in a spring, I pay for it every week.